What's up, buddy? Where are we at right now? We at the property? Enzo, we at the property? Yeah. We're in the garage. There's my 3 big windows I wanted. Gonna have another wall over there. There's garage door 1, garage door 2, garage door 3. Oh man, we're nearly done. There's the house. All right, well, there's the stairs. This is the garage again, just to kind of show you what we got going on. There's the 3 doors. There's gonna be a big old wall there, air handlers, and a little window. When I say little window, none of the windows in our house are small. I wanted big windows. This is the master bedroom right here in front. There's our double vanity. That hole in the ground is our shower. There is a standalone tub and a linen closet on the end. Bathroom windows being made. Master closet is kind of behind the tub here. Anyway, let's walk through my master bedroom door. Wait a minute, we're gonna go around here to the bathroom. Going over this way. Here's the living room. It's kind of a mess. I'll clean it up later. I didn't know I was gonna have guests. Just kidding. This would be the kitchen. Here is the kitchen sink. We all know how we like a deep kitchen sink. There is our beautiful view of people coming over to visit. This area here, so this is the water heater. And that is our pantry. It is 10 foot by 13 foot. Butler pantry. Look, somebody left some freaking bottle in my pantry. Look at that. They didn't even, they had the courtesy of drinking it, but they didn't have the courtesy of throwing it away. Man. All right, that's bedroom 1 and 2 with a bathroom in the middle, or actually 2 and 3, should I say? But here's our dining room, all surrounded by glass. So we'll be sitting right here having Christmas dinner. Beautiful view. Porch right through there. That is a solid glass window. But here's the best part, in my opinion, of the entire house. Ready? Here's the front door. Here's the windows next to the front door. They're double French doors. Look at that view. You walk through the front door of our house. This is something Ashley fell in love with in a house we was going to buy in Salsona. And as soon as you walk in, that whole entire wall is going to be glass. Big sliding glass doors. Of course, right now it doesn't look like much. Got a bunch of debris and trash everywhere, but I can promise you, in the middle of the day, it's pretty late right now. It's past 7:30. It looks a lot nicer. All these trees are gonna be bright and beautiful. Grass is gonna look nice. Like an outside lounge here. That's our half bath for the garage and guests. TV on that wall. Brown chicken, brown cow.